In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily turn off the keypad sound on your Samsung device. The keypad sound can be quite annoying, especially if you are in a quiet environment or trying to make a call discreetly. Luckily, disabling the dial pad sound is a quick and simple process. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Vibration. And then tap System Sound. To turn off keypad sound on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.